Hey, my name is Jack. Today I will represent an amazing list of electronic products. This video about
video camera supports stabilizers.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
The Thanos essentially takes all of that away. So for walk and talk style shoots where I need to rig up my gimbal here, it is absolutely amazing. It is absolutely amazing. I've been wearing this for probably over an hour now. And all right, so what kind of gimbals is the Thanos arm compatible with? Well, a variety of them. As you can see, I have the Ronin-SC right here, and this arm comes down and it clamps around most style gimbals. This can clamp around the Ronin-SC style handle where it's a little bit more oval shaped, and they also include an adapter to where it works just as well with a round style handle, like something like the FeiyuTech AK-4500 that David is filming on right now. With these one-handed 3-axis gimbals, you actually don't get that up and down movement dampened, but they do claim, digital photo claims, that you can get up to a third. You're not gonna wanna do that ninja gimbal walk anymore, and you're gonna get lazy. So what the arm does in those instances is, and I have noticed that as I get more tired, it does help me dampen that up and down, which is the Z-axis, just a little bit. It's not a ton, but it does make a little bit of a difference.
My name is Rubidium. Today we are looking at a pretty interesting camera support device called the Pro-Aim FLYCAM Flowline Master. So if you're familiar with camera stabilization, you have your Steadicam, which kind of came out in the 70s, your Gimbals, Movies, DJI Ronins, which came out about 5 or 10 years ago. And then you have what's called an Easy Rig, which is a backpack that with a arm over the top that you wear that suspends the camera. Now, this isn't necessarily stabilizing the camera as you're moving. What it does is redistributes the effort of holding and positioning the camera from your arms and your shoulders to your back, and allows you to carry a very heavy camera rig almost effortlessly. It sort of floats in front of you while still maintaining full control. The Flowline Master is under $1,000 and the capacity goes all the way up to 27 pounds, which is a pretty big cinema camera with a large lens and a lot of accessories on it. I found it super well made, it's very durable, it is very comfortable. It comes with all these extra added pockets that I wasn't expecting. Great to keep your light meter in if you're a solo shooter, or great to keep an extra lens in. The advantage of this over a Steadicam or a gimbal is you don't need to rebalance. You can just change your lenses over and away you go. You can get really high shots with this, high angle shots, you can get really low. I was on a documentary shoot the other day and this thing absolutely saved me. It was a really heavy camera. They wanted all kinds of things and it really saved my back to be able to just have a weightless camera while still holding a bus. Flowline Master is really well made. They used good materials. There's a lot of them. It's want that margin of safety when you're dangling your camera over the precipice. You definitely want something that's more built than less built. So, which is great because you definitely want to protect the threaded cable, which is keeping your camera safe.
First, make sure Ronin-SC is properly assembled. Then follow these steps for balancing. Mounting the camera. Before mounting, remove the lens cap and make sure the battery and memory card are inserted in the camera. Attach the riser plate to the bottom of the camera and tighten the screw under the riser plate. Attach the dovetail plate to the riser plate. The camera lens and the arrow on the dovetail plate must face the same direction. Mount the camera according to the indicators on the dovetail plate. Tighten the screw of the dovetail plate. Then attach the lens support to the dovetail plate to secure the lens. Move the slider to the front of the plate. Loosen the knob on the bottom of the camera mounting plate and slide the camera into the plate. And then tighten the knob. Balancing the tilt axis. Unlock the tilt axis. The camera lens is pointing forward. Check to make sure the camera is not front or back heavy. If front heavy, move the camera quick release board backward. If back heavy, move the camera quick release board forward. Loosen the knob under the camera. Unlock the roll axis. To check the direction, loosen the knob on the camera mounting plate and adjust. Tighten the knob. If the camera moves forward, move the camera quick release board back until the slider is next to the roll axis. If the camera stays still when rotating the pan while powering on tilt axis, launch the roll.
Button introduction. Long press the power button to turn it on, turn it off. Double-click the power button to enter the sleep mode. Click again to wake it up. Click the mode button. The gimbal will switch back to lock mode. Pan follow. Pan and tilt follow, PTF, FPV, and flash follow. Press the mode button 5 times in quick succession. For horizontal calibration, now the Bluetooth indicator will flash fast. Wait a moment. The Bluetooth indicator stops to flash. Click the mode button M to wake up the gimbal. Double-click the trigger button to reset it. Triple-click the trigger button to enter or exit the selfie mode. Long press the trigger button to enter the pan and tilt follow PTF mode. Half click the shooting button to focus. Click the shooting button to start the video recording. Click it again to stop recording. Start shooting by long press the button. Click the Moto Auto Tune button for 5 seconds. You can hear beep long range to start the motor power adaptation. Strong vibration of the gimbal at this point is normal. When the vibration stops, adaptation process is complete. Enter or exit the FPV mode.